Why, hello there. Fancy seeing you. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to do a scorpion, which is basically what I just was doing before you guys walked in. Hello there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pearl and welcome again. And yeah, today you probably clicked on this video because you want to learn how to do a scorpion. Don't worry, I shall teach you. And don't worry, it's actually really easy. I'm able to do a scorpion without having the splits. You don't really need to have the splits to do a scorpion. And I can prove it to you. I do not have my right leg splits. I'm gonna attempt a scorpion with my right leg. Well, yeah. Well, no, I have my right leg. I don't have my left leg. You know what? I'll just show it to you people. Okay, so this is my good leg splits. The one I'm going to be probably using throughout most of this video. As you can probably tell, I have the splits down. But how about my other side? Check this. Oh, okay. I'm working on it, and I'm almost gonna have it. I promise. But until then, since as you could probably tell, well, as you've seen, I do not have my left splits. But I'm gonna tell you now that you can do a scorpion even without having your splits. So let's go. So this is a scorpion with my good leg. Well, my left leg backwards and my right leg in front, which is the good side. So this is how it looks like. That's how the scorpion looks, and let's try it on my other side. Let's see how well that does. Did you see that? Did you see that? I did it without having my splits and without having like an extremely bendy back. I'm not extremely bendy. I am bendy, but I'm not that bendy. Like I'm not Sophie Dawsey bendy or the Ribka twins bendy, but I did it. Which shows that you can do it as well. All you need is a little bit of hard work and dedication. And before you try any of this stuff, I suggest that you warm up. I hate warming up. I hated hearing that when I was learning how to do my stuff. But you gotta warm up or you're gonna face the consequences. And the consequences are being very, very sore and not being able to perform as well as you should. And it could also lead to injury. So gotta be warm, people. I was warm, I warmed up earlier, which is why I'm kind of sweating. You can't tell, that's sweat. Okay, I was warming up before this video, so you should probably warm up. I'm gonna put up a warm up. If you guys want to see a warm up video, tell me by maybe clicking the like button and the subscribe button and turning on post notifications, and also comment, because if you guys subscribe and like and turn on post notifications, I will never know. I'll just know, oh, someone did this, but I don't know who you are and I don't know what you want. So you gotta tell me in the comments, right? Okay, so now you're supposed to warm up. You can warm up by doing jumping jacks or high knees or burpees. And when you're warm, you can begin with a little light stretch. I suggest you do lunges. If you don't know what lunge is, I'm gonna show you right now. So guys, you go into a lunge like this. So this is basically a lunge. You can be up here, you can be over here, you can be like this, you can even be on the ground. But it's a lunge. Anyhow you do it, it's a lunge. Anyway, now that you've warmed up, now is to attempt the scorpion. I know what you're thinking. You probably can't do it, but you can. And I know you can because I did it on my first try and I'm not that flexible. I didn't really stretch. I have never attended a dance lesson or a gymnastics lesson, like a gymnastics practice or cheer practice in my entire life. Never have. So you can do this as well. Pretty easy. If you put in a little hard work, even if you're like this, you can still put in a little hard work. and you'll get there. So now I'm gonna focus on how you can grab the leg, because some people have trouble with how to get into a scorpion, because I've seen people do it like this, and guys, this is completely wrong. And maybe like, am I doing it? And I'm like, no. So you don't want to be like that. You have to learn how to actually grab the right places. So I'm going to show you step by step. So basically, you're supposed to raise your leg behind you like that. And then you're supposed to grab your foot. Don't fly. You're supposed to grab your foot like this, like you're cupping your leg. Okay, I cannot stress this enough. Don't do it like this. You're gonna be doing what I showed you before. Well, you can totally still do it, but if you're able to grab, if you know how to maneuver, but the correct way to do it is like this. You're gonna cup your leg like that. And then you're supposed to grab it and pull it and grab. Okay? And then you switch and you pull. That's how you do a scorpion. And also you need to warm up your back, not just your legs. Please, I cannot stress that enough. You're supposed to warm up your back, or else you're gonna feel really sore when you do it the next time, and I should know because I became obsessed. So now I'm gonna do the same thing on my other leg in case you can't follow along on that leg. So you cup the leg like that again, then you pull it and you grab and you rotate and then you pull. It's not as pretty as the other leg, but it's still a scorpion. All you need to do is work on your leg and back flexibility and you're great. You're good to go. So anyway, on that note, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it or if it helped you out in any way, don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you're notified every single time I post a video. Anyways, just to inform you guys, I don't only do fitness, I do more of like sometimes lifestyle and challenges sometimes. And I don't know, I just show you guys a little bit of my weirdness. So enjoy when you subscribe. See you!